To place a limit order on Coinbase, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the trading page. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell and click on the Trade button. Choose the Limit Order option, which allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. In the Limit Order section, enter the price at which you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency and the amount you want to trade. The limit price is the maximum price you are willing to pay when buying or the minimum price you are willing to accept when selling. The amount is the quantity of the cryptocurrency you want to trade. For example, if you want to buy 1 Bitcoin at a price of $30,000, you would enter $30,000 as the limit price and 1 as the amount. Review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the price, amount, and total cost. If you are buying, the total cost will be the limit price multiplied by the amount. If you are selling, the total proceeds will be the limit price multiplied by the amount. Once you have reviewed your order, click the Place Order button to submit it to the exchange. Your limit order will be executed when the market price reaches the limit price you specified. It is essential to understand that limit orders are not guaranteed to be filled, as the market price may not reach the limit price. Additionally, limit orders may be partially filled if there is not enough liquidity in the market to fill the entire order at the specified price. Best practices for placing limit orders include setting realistic prices based on current market conditions, using limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, and monitoring your orders to adjust them as needed. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively place limit orders on Coinbase and execute your trades at the desired price.